Hello everyone, my name is Ridha Hassan. Today we just come here, Jiyoddan. It's the historical place in Bangladesh and the behind of the Sanshad Bhavan, and we just came 3 batch here, especially the Riyasar batch, and today we will enjoy a lot because so many students who are just gather here. I think for learning purpose, English speaking environment is needed, and that's why we just came here, and each and everyone just speaking English, and for learning English environment is so much important, and without speaking English environment, learning English is so difficult, and that's why we just came here, and today we will enjoy a lot with our favorite teacher, Riya sir, and in front of me there are our cooking sir also. They are each and everyone is so friendly. I just found each and every qualities on them, especially if I say about my middle sir as well as their class content in each and everyone. Everything is just a pleasure to me, and if someone want to learn English, I will recommend to join English Fantasy because their environment, their teacher lecture content, each and everything is just fascinated me. This about of myself.